The people united!
The struggle in Yemen, in Palestine, in Iraq, in Syria, in Lebanon, everywhere in the world is the same. It is against the oppression, against the imperialism, against the occupation, and that is what we have to stand against.
Before you drive
no, you can't. Not unless you get in front of the car as I step on it. I'm only teasing. Okay, here we go. Ready?
See it, sir.
Ready?